as well as bar chords being more difficult to play than these open chords I'm doing here, it's the actual change into the bar chord that makes it really difficult and where a lot of people fall down. I'm making it look very easy here, and I'm going to give you an exercise and a chord change that's going to come up in so many songs that are ahead of you. To make this exercise even easier, let's put a capo onto the first fret. From there we're going to take a C chord, here is the 4-step exercise we need to work on. Step 1, little finger goes under the 3rd onto the 4th string. Step 2, second fingertip down 1 string. Step 3, thumb low and centered at the back. Step 4, bar, which is much easier now with the thumb in position. Your goal as soon as possible is to be able to do all 4 in one. The 3rd finger hasn't moved. It's a pivot finger, which helps enormously to make chord changing easier.